Hello friends, welcome to my channel Self Belief. If you haven't subscribed till yet, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. In this video, we will discuss about a very interesting topic, Glasgow Coma Scale, with some interesting mnemonics and pictorial graphics. The question arises in your mind that what is Glasgow Coma Scale? So let's get started with what is GCS. The GCS is a neurological scale which aims to give a reliable and objective ways of recording the state of person's consciousness and for the initial as well as subsequent assessment. First of all, the scale was first published by Tisdale and Janet in 1974 for the assessment of coma and impaired consciousness. It was initially used to assess the level of consciousness after head injury, and the scale is now used for all acute medical and trauma patients. Now, this scale is divided into three categories. You can memorize these three categories as E, V, and M. E stands for eye response. It has a minimum score of 1 and maximum score of 4. V stands for verbal response. It has a minimum score of 1 and maximum score of 5. M stands for motor response. It has a minimum score of 1 and maximum score of 6. So the lowest possible GCS score is 3 for deep coma patient and the highest or maximum GCS score is 15 for fully awake person. Before performing this test for GCS assessment, you should do a preliminary check that no factor should be there which can interfere our assessment, like there should be no sedation, paralysis, any hearing impairment and any other factor. Now how to check eye response. You can memorize as the sports channel ESPN. E stands for eye opening spontaneously. If patient spontaneously open eyes, then eye score is 4. S stands for sound. When you ask the patient open your eyes and patient opens eye, the eye score is 3. P stands for to pain. Patient open eyes in painful stimuli, then eye score is 2. N stands for no response, then eye score is 1. Now how to check verbal response. You can memorize as this mnemonic our country win and also keep this picture in mind. O in our stand for oriented. If you ask the patient where are you and who they are, which month and day of the week, and if he or she can answer correctly, then verbal score is 5. C in country stand for confused. If patient replies I don't know or say something like maybe at a hotel, stadium, so the verbal score is 4. Now W stands for words inappropriately used, like he or she says stadium or hotel, then verbal score is 3. I stand for incomprehensive sounds, like he or she makes some sounds like e, then verbal score is 2. N stand for no response, so verbal score is 1. Now the last category, how to check motor response. You can memorize as cannot live without fans and also keep this picture in your mind. C in can stands for obeys command. If you ask the patient protrude his or her tongue and if he or she does so, the motor score is 6. L in live stands for localizes to pain. If on giving pain he or she correctly localizes pain, so motor response is 5. W in without stands for withdrawal to pain, then motor score is 4. F stands for abnormal flexion, which is also called decorticate posturing. You can see in this picture, so the motor score is 3. A stands for abnormal extension, also called decerebrate posturing. You can see in this picture, so the motor response is 2. N stands for no response, so motor response is 1. After assessing the patient, you have to sum up the score of all three responses, so the GCS score out of 15. If there occurs some local factors which interfere with eye opening, then eye response noted as not testable. If patient cannot verbalize, then verbal response is noted as not testable. Or if patient is paralysis, then motor response is noted as not testable.